who sings a song. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that loves to play. G for grapes, purple and round. H for horse that jumps around. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jellyfish, soft and funny. K for kite that flies so high. L for lion with a mighty cry. M for monkey, full of cheer. N for nest with eggs so near. O for owl who hoots at night. P for peacock, shining bright. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for snake, long and sly. T for train that zooms right by. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van on the sunny lane. W for watermelon, juicy and red. X for xylophone by my bed. Y for yak with fluffy hair. Z for zebra with stripes to wear. Now we've sung our ABCs. Learning's fun, it's easy as can be. Clap your hands